Behind these factory walls begins the journey of one of the world's most recognizable beverages. The process starts with care-controlled ingredients arriving at the plant.
Powerful pumps move the ingredients into massive stainless steel storage tanks.
Purified water forms the essential foundation of the beverage. Measured quantities of refined sugar are prepared for the precise beverage formula. Precise dosing brings the individual ingredients together. Inside the main mixer, the formula becomes a uniform beverage. From here, the blended beverage enters a carefully controlled processing line.
Filtration removes unwanted particles while maintaining the consistency of the drink.
Temperature is carefully controlled before the beverage reaches the next stage. Controlled carbonation gives the beverage its familiar sparkling character. Every batch is monitored to keep carbonation and flow within precise limits. At the same time, empty bottles enter the high-speed packaging line. Each bottle is thoroughly prepared before receiving the beverage. Automated cameras inspect every container before production continues. Now the finished beverage is filled into thousands of bottles with remarkable precision. Automated inspection verifies that every cap is correctly secured. The bottles are then dressed with their recognizable Pepsi branding. Vision systems check every label for accuracy before it leaves the line. Every bottle receives production and traceability information. Only bottles meeting the factory specifications continue forward.
The finished bottles are gathered into precise groups for packaging.
Automated guides organize the bottles into perfectly measured groups.
The final packaging stage is as the organized bottles enter the wrapping system. The bottles are tightly wrapped into stable, transport-ready packs.
Cooling locks the packaging securely around every group of bottles. Automated vision system every finished package before dispatch. Samples are taken from the production line for detailed quality checks.
Carbonation levels are measured to maintain consistent taste and texture. The sugar concentration is also checked against the required formula. Appearance and fill level provide another layer of quality assurance. Once the results meet specification, the production batch receives final approval.
With quality confirmed, the finished products continue toward final packaging and dispatch. The approved beverage packs now enter the final stage of automated packaging.
Strong shipping cartons are automatically formed and prepared for the finished products.
Robotic systems pack the finished beverage groups into transport-ready cases.
Each carton is securely sealed for storage and transportation. A protective film secures each pallet for its journey through the supply chain.
The finished products are now stacked, secured, and ready for distribution. From the production floor, the finished pallets move into the warehouse and toward distribution.
And this is how modern factories process Pepsi, from start to finish.